In this video, I want to show you how to use Excel to add up a bunch of numbers. It's really simple, so let's get started. If we're working inside of Excel, and we have a blank sheet here, but we're going to enter in some information on the keyboard. You know, if you have a number pad, or if you just want to type them in from like the numbers 1 through 0 across, you can do that. Just going to start entering, and what I mean by enter is 95. I'll hit enter on the keyboard, and it'll actually go down to the next row. So I'm going to enter in a whole bunch of different numbers. And at the bottom here, we can actually just kind of type in total, just so we know what we're working with here. If maybe you're doing some math work, you're adding up some maybe amounts of money, you can just put in the information, or you can have a column header, so you can put sales here, sales, and maybe you want to put the number in for October 5th. I'm going to just resize this here. So maybe this is what we made here, and we want to know what the total is. Well, instead of putting in the function manually, I'm going to show you a quick way of doing it. It's called AutoSum. And the AutoSum is on the Home tab, and you'll find it towards the right side. It says display the sum of the selected cells directly after the selected cells. So if we click AutoSum, we see that it kind of selects it. It does some crazy stuff, and it puts in equals sum parentheses C3 colon C9. And what that is doing is it's saying anything above here that's a number, which is C3 to C9, if you look on the cells there, that is the grid in which we're going to add up. So it looks like we're going to add them up. We just hit enter with the keyboard, and it shows that our numbers add up to 2498. And we can do this, you know, with as many numbers as we want. Maybe a number had changed. Maybe this was, wasn't $1,000. You know, it was 900. If we hit that, it actually changes the total of the amount at the bottom here, if you noticed. Just because we don't want it to have to, you know, put that number in manually. We want it to add the numbers up as it goes. So if we change any number, maybe this wasn't 34. Maybe it was 50. We see that the number changes. And this is a useful tool for just getting your everyday math down. If you're going over sales, if you're going over grades, you can put it into Excel really simply. Now, I don't really have too much of a format here, but as you can see, the function works great. Try it yourself. Enjoy.